Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fat loss diet plan. To begin, understand that fat loss fundamentally comes down to consuming fewer calories than your body burns. This creates a calorie deficit, forcing your body to use stored fat for energy. It's not about magic pills or fad diets, but rather a consistent, disciplined approach to your daily intake. We'll explore how to achieve this effectively and sustainably. To create a calorie deficit, first estimate your total daily energy expenditure, or TD. This number represents the calories your body burns daily. Then, subtract 300 to 500 calories from your TD to establish your target intake. For example, if your TD is 2,000 calories, aim for 1,500 to 1,700 calories per day. Consistent tracking is key to staying within your target. When planning your meals, focus on a balanced macronutrient distribution. Protein is vital. Aim for about 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight to help maintain muscle. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados or nuts, are important for overall health and satiety, making up about 20% to 30% of your calories. Fill the remainder with complex carbohydrates for energy and fiber. Consistency is paramount for long-term fat loss. Stick to your plan most days, allowing for occasional flexibility. Hydration is also crucial. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support metabolic processes and reduce hunger. Don't forget the importance of sleep, as poor sleep can negatively impact hormones related to appetite and fat storage. Combine this with regular movement for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.